Next, we'd like to call upon Mr. Pradeep Saputantri, Secretary to the Honorable Premier, being accompanied by the President of ISMM, Mr. Lanka Subasinghe, and Mr. Ranilabe Sekara, Mr. Dimukha Samaravikrama, and Professor Sanath Divakara, along with Mr. Priyanka Kirihena and Mr. Kavinda Jayatilaka. Ladies and gentlemen, the best supply chain practicing organization of the year, small scale service. The winner is DGL Supply Chain Solutions Private Limited. DGL. Right, we're going to move on to the next category. The best supply chain practicing organization of the year, medium scale. We have only the runners up, the second runner up and the first runner up. And the third place goes to eScreen Systems Private Limited. eScreen. Ladies and gentlemen, the runners-up. The award goes to Unique Industrial Solutions Private Limited. I can see so many people at the two main supply points getting supplied to themselves. But I hope at the same time you are concentrating on the names being announced here as well, so that you can walk faster after getting yourself supplied. Right. Next, we have the medium scale service. Best supply chain practicing organization of the year. We have the third place being presented to Global Transportation and Logistics Private Limited. Global Transportation and Logistics Private Limited. Right, ladies and gentlemen, for medium scale services, the winner is Spectra Logistics Private Limited. But first, we'd like to call upon the winner of the second place is Distriparks Private Limited to come up on stage to receive the first runner-up award. Is Distriparks Private Limited. Well done, congratulations, is Distriparks Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the winner of the medium scale services, the winner of the gold award, Spectra Logistics Private Limited. Right, up next we have the medium scale manufacturing. The top three being recognized. First, the third place, and third place goes to Weimar Printpack Private Limited. Weimar Printpack Private Limited. And the winner for the medium scale manufacturing, ladies and gentlemen, Micro Electric International Private Limited. But first, we'd like to call upon the winner of the second place, Korean Spa Accessories Private Limited, to receive your award. Congratulations, Korean Spa Accessories Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, for medium scale manufacturing, please welcome our winner, Micro Electric International Private Limited. Right, well done. Congratulations to the winner. And thank you very much, the presentation party joining with us to do the honors. Thank you very much.